Hello folks, Zero Day here. This repair review for Darren. Donkey Stomper 2x4, 500V. Good customer. Alright, he's having trouble with his decky. Here's what we got. Galaxy 88. Gonna turn on high power. It ain't keying much though. We're running 15.7. Let's see. That's actually 15.5. Forward watt. So we're keying 1.5 watts in, okay? Now I did find it was keying a little much, but nothing like what you said. But I did pad the input and do a couple things to it. Alright, turn it on. Variables are wide open as far as they go. Alright, we're going to 1,000 watt scale. 1 watt in, 1.5 watt in, 100 out, key. Audio 1, 2, 3, hello. Audio 1, 2, 3, hello. 4 or 500 average. 1,000 watt scale. Peak. Let's see. Just a shade over 100. Audio, hello. 1, 2, 3. Right at 1,000. Hello, audio. That should take care of you, man. I'm gonna get this thing boxed up and send it back to you. Appreciate the business. Y'all for N10 018. Be this back quiet.